set what 200 by 150 is it?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. Watermelons, oranges. Let's go see some of the oranges. They're still very young. Oops. You got a bug eating them.
Yeah, that's what Oma was telling them that they should
Mm. Neem tree. You've got lots of neem trees all over the place. You can use them, can't you? Natural pesticide. For watermelons. Lots of watermelons. Oh, you need more trees here. Like you've got that tree over there for shade. Because the land is exposed like this. More oranges. So peaceful here. So very peaceful. And here's so much wildlife. The birds singing. The sun is so intense. There's okras. I need to try and get closer to one. It's not. It's actually not very easy to see these things. Oh, look at that. Okra. As far as the eyes can see, all that is okra. Absolutely love the plants. The flowers when they open up. They're beautiful. And that's the okra. See what the plant looks like. There's the leaves. Okra leaves. And these are local garden eggs. Let's try and get. There are plants everywhere, so I'm trying to get past them to go show you. Try not to step on anything. These are, look, well, you recognize the flowers. Flowers. Got some fruits over there. Come on, you're hiding. Show yourself. Show yourself. Oh. There you go. There are loads everywhere. They're actually letting the fruits drop. And they've done some slash and burn here. You can see the charred earth. Oh, what's that? I think it's going to rain. It's so warm. Something's got to give eventually. Phew. Yep, rain is coming. Now these, I think, is sweet potato. This one. These are sweet potato, I think. Yeah, I'll ask. But I believe that's sweet potato. It's got to be. I mean, what is this? And people hard at work. The farmhands. I think they live on site. Oh, look at it. I love my chilies. If you know me, you know I love my chilies. Look at that. I think that should be bird's eye. This patch is all chilies. They're weeding the crack on this way. Assalamu alaikum. I don't understand. What should I say? What should I say? I'm fine. How should I say it? How should I say it in your language? How do I say I'm fine? No, how do I say it in your language?
My language?
Yeah.
Jamare.
Jamare. Jamare, Baba.
This letter you take me one picture and you give me $50 as you.
For now, I'm filming the plants for now anyway. But if you insist, why not? More chili. And these are groundnuts, yeah, I believe. Peanuts.
Yeah,
Peanuts, possibly. The local ones. So a good mix of plants here. So we've seen aubergines, that's garden egg, chilies, okra, different types of chilies, tomatoes, watermelon, lots of oranges, avocado. I think there was mango. Yeah, there's mango. Which one did I see again? Lots of corn over there and bananas. It's huge. It's a really big parcel of land, I believe. I think the family owns this one. It's shared by the whole family, and that's 100 by... Was it 100 by 150?
Huh?
What's the measurement?
200 by 120.
Oh, sorry. 200 by 120. Massive piece of land. Right. The purple plant, is that sweet potato?
Yeah.
I knew it. And then what's this one? Is it more of the same? The white one and the...
No, this is Nieve.
No, that's not beans. That's not beans. It's sweet potato. It's either... So there are two types. The sweet potato, the white one and the red one.
Okay.
I think this might be the white one. I don't think it's the red one. Potato, yeah? Sweet potato. There's papaya. You know I know my plants. I recognize my plants. More orange. Okay.
Yeah.
Now see if you can spot the next one. Look very carefully. Can you see it? Even closer. Can you see something breathing there? Very well camouflaged. Hey, 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 you. That was fast. Very fast. If you can, start a garden today, okay? Thank you for watching.